right, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. All right, so we've got the latest and greatest in FSD. That's 11.4.7.3. Sorry, I know that's a mouthful, but check it out. We just got the update. I'm doing a couple test drives over here. I'm gonna see if there is a charger available up the street here, and let's see how FSD can take me there. So yeah, I want to thank everyone for watching this. Hope you all are having a great day. Take a look at the FSD visualization here. This is nice and improved with this latest update. So you could take a look at what the car is capable of seeing. Notice how it notices cars coming up behind me. Notice how it can fully detect the intersection which is in front of me. Notice how it has a highlighted blue trajectory that it knows when the light turns green, that's where it wants to go. Now, when the light turns green, it's gonna actually bolden into a dark blue, and that's how you know FSD has made a decision and it's gonna go. But look how just detailed it is with picking up each car as it turns. Left turn lane, see how it's recognizing all the vehicles. It should be our turn now, so here we go. Notice how the line went blue and the car just started moving. No hands on the wheel and no feet on the pedals. All right, so let's see if it can get this right. Actually, I've had it try to make this wrong turn here several times. Let's see with this update. Oh no, oh, look at that, it fixed it. Awesome. A lot of times it would try to get into that lane, but notice it recognized right away that it needs to make a right here. So here we go. All right, we're gonna slow down to a nice speed. Notice how we do still have the steering wheel nag. It hasn't gone away yet, but as long as you're looking forward, it shouldn't really come when the car is operating. But now when you come to a stop, there it goes right there, and it wants to do something new. It like always asks for input. So here we go. We're just about 2 minutes away from the charger now. Let's see if FSD can finish the drive for us here without taking over. And also kind of hoping that there's slots open, since where I'm navigating to is one of the free Volta chargers. So yeah, there's only 2 over there, so a lot of times they're not available. Sometimes they are. So we're gonna check it out since we've got some time on the lunch break. So we're just a few minutes away here now. We got a pretty busy intersection coming up. Let's see how FSD handles that. And notice how it's already picking up cars from the intersection. It knows that there's a stop sign here, and it's gonna see how it says stopping for the stop sign. And here we go. We want to be able to find our trajectory. There it is. And now we want to be able to make sure that it's a clear pathway, so it may creep up a little bit for visibility. And then as soon as it's ready to go, it should just go. And here we go. So it did figure out, we had cars coming pretty close there, but it did. I'm really glad it didn't stop in that middle island and just wait, because I had definitely enough time. Here we go. We should proceed without stopping, but it is treating that like a stop sign, so I did actually nudge that through. And here we are. And I think I am gonna have to turn around because it looks like both of those chargers are being used right now. But I'm glad I got a nice little FSD test run in here to the mall. Let's see what it does now actually with cars coming up. Okay, interesting moves getting around the car. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it take me all the way to the chargers. A little shout out for anyone local here. If you're familiar with the area, then you know about these 2 chargers here at the mall. They're actually free. But yeah, notice how we've got 2 Teslas here plugged in, and it's got a 2-hour limit, so hopefully they're not here too long. But that person got a brand new 2023 that looked pretty cool. Let's see if we can go ahead and snag one of these parking spots here and let the car go ahead and park itself. So yeah, I want to thank everyone for watching this. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more FSD beta videos, Tesla content, autonomous drives. Look at this parking job. Really nice job there. And just like that, auto park complete and made it here to the mall. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day. All right, bye.